2026 is going to be a massive year for Wales, and if you give me a couple minutes, I'll tell you exactly why. I know it feels like only yesterday we were at the polls in the 2024 general election, but the upcoming Senedd elections on May 7th, 2026 are just as big, if not bigger, for the people of Wales. It's been a year of the UK Labour government, and they're working in cooperation with the Welsh Labour government, of course, and what have we seen? Nothing. We were promised change, but all we've had is basically more of the same governance, and nothing has really improved. You'd think that under a Welsh Labour and then a UK Labour government, they'd work as a team to try and improve Welsh devolution, but no, there's been no progress on HS2 money, there's been no progress on the Crown Estate devolution bill, and there's been no progress on any other devolved matters. What we have seen on a UK-wide level, though, is Keir Starmer's preparedness to sacrifice the most vulnerable in society. You know, with the welfare cuts and the winter fuel payment cuts that he at least proposed and then U-turned on, it shows Labour's true colours. It really just begs the question, what about Wales? What does Wales get out of having a Welsh Labour government? What do we see in our day-to-day lives? A crumbling NHS with its longest waiting times at their highest level. Child poverty estimated to go up another 4% to 34% by 2030, which is 34% of children living below the poverty line. And I think it's really important to remember in these contexts as well that there is money for Wales locked away. It's locked away in the Crown Estate Fund that we have no control over. It's locked away in Barnett formula things like the HS2, where billions are stowed away from Wales that could improve our lives, improve our transport. So the money is there. We are just not allowed it. Stuff like this is why people become disillusioned with politics. It's why they turn to parties like Reform, who, by the way, are not the answer. They just want power. They only care about preserving themselves and earning more money for themselves. Their policies are not specific to Wales. They have no Welsh leader, and that's without talking about all the hateful rhetoric and negative policies that they spew. But this isn't about them. The truth is there is a credible alternative in Wales. There's a credible left-wing alternative that wants to put the Welsh people first. The only party calling for the devolution of the Crown Estate, the only party demanding the HS2 money, and now the Oxford and Cambridge Rail Line money, of course, the only party that wants to put Welsh people first. A party with real, tangible policies for Wales, a cancer strategy for Wales, an economic plan for Wales, direct child payments to help lift families out of poverty with children, and even free swimming lessons for primary school children.